Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be doing a cleaning video because my room really needs to be cleaned up. Things need to be done. It looked a lot worse yesterday because as you see I have these shelves over here. Well, that has Molly's clothes in it and she took out all of her pajamas and threw them on the floor. Just great. Just love it. So I want to clean up my room. I need to get my laundry in. I need to put laundry away. I want to get my Christmas stuff out of here and put away because I just don't need it out anymore. And then put out like spring stuff because I need spring, baby. Okay. Anyways, so then I need to get like my makeup stuff cleaned, and I think I'm gonna declutter a little bit as well with like clothes and decorations and stuff, because honestly I'm just so tired of looking at all of this crap and I don't need it, I don't use it, so why am I holding on to it? Because I can sell it. And I'm actually looking at getting a vlog camera. I was actually looking at it this morning, like an impulse thing. Like, I just want to get one because my phone is nice, but like I'm tired of using my phone to vlog, only because now I would probably use it if I went to like Marshalls and TJ Maxx for those videos, only because that way people aren't like really staring at me too much. But Molly uses my phone to watch movies, so she like kills the battery and stuff, and another camera would be nice, that way I'm not relying on my phone and killing the battery and storage and all that. So yeah, anyways, without further ado, let me show you what my room looks like before cleaning, since it needs to be done, and then what my room will look like at the end when I'm finished, and I'll do little clips here and there of me cleaning my room as well. So let's go. Okay guys, so I've made some progress. I haven't filmed a whole bunch. I've been actually listening to an audiobook, Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children, the third book, Library of Souls, on YouTube. Anyways, so I filmed a little bit, but I have my laundry in the washer. As you guys saw, I made my bed, and so I cleaned a little bit of this. I cleaned the floor up a little bit. I cleaned up her bed and got that together. Here's my bed right now. Wait, there it is. My laundry basket is empty. It needs to go in the closet. I'm just not putting it there yet. That I'm going to give away. A trash bag. A book that I'm going to be giving away. My shirt that needs to go away. And on the floor here, as you can see, I got all the laundry up. I put it away. Those boxes have to go downstairs. Those boxes are trash. Now it's time to come over and conquer my makeup area and figure out if I'm going to film today or not, and if not, I'm going to put that away as well. So we got a little bit to do, and then I have to clean up my closet. Look, Molly puts like random stuff in my closet, like, why? I also cleaned up a little bit over here as well with all of my shoes and my books and stuff, so it looks pretty good. And I cleaned up Molly's books, so it's definitely coming along. It's looking pretty good. I want to get this corner cleaned up eventually because that's a hot mess. But let's start with my makeup stuff because, like, look at this. This is crazy. I just bought this yesterday. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, loose powder. I'm gonna try that. This, I saw this. I didn't even hear about this on YouTube. Why didn't I hear about this? It's crazy. I'm trying to sit you down. Whoa. Alright, hold on. Let me sit you down. So this is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlight, and oh my gosh, like, I am so impressed with this. I saw it, I was like, kind of expensive, but I want to try it. So they came out with another one. Actually, I don't even remember if it smells like... It doesn't smell like coconut, like... Where's my bronzer here? So, like, here's the bronzer, right? And this straight up smells like coconut. Or it did. It's not really smelling like that anymore. Well, it did. But anyway, so this smelled like coconut. This smells like straight up butter. It's actually kind of gross. But, like, it feels like a moussey texture. And then look at that. Oh my gosh. Like excuse the writing Molly wrote on my hand this morning. Look at that. That's amazing. And like I said, I haven't watched any reviews on it. I haven't even heard about it coming out, but I'm so glad I have that to add to my collection here. So let me just put that away. Where am I going to put it? I guess right there is good. And then put my powder away here. I don't know where I'm putting that either. New eyelash glue. So I'm going to work on putting this stuff away, and then I will catch up with you guys. So before I show you my room, just remember what that looked like. Sorry, I'm moving the tripod. So I'm starting over here because, ooh, don't look at that. Because this is where I started the, you know, where I showed you first. So here's Molly's bed now. Cleaned it up a little bit. Next to my bed. So that's a return. I have to give away. That's a trash bag. Whoa. And that book I'm giving away as well. So that's what the bed looks like now. This is what my toy box looks like now. It's basically just storage, but anyways. So I cleaned up all that. That's going downstairs. That's trash. Over here is pretty clean. And then we get to my desk. That stuff has to go down. That's my camera that has to go down. Actually, my mom's, but you know. So my desk is now clean. I put the light away. It sits back behind my mirror. My chair, what is this called? I don't know. Bench, shoes, stuff over here. So I definitely cleaned up a lot of stuff. My closet, we're not even going to talk about right now. And then once Molly gets up from her nap, I will put decorations away like those. My little penguin. Those back there. Just little things. Put away. Put those away. Put some else out. Figure that one out. So yeah.